G'day, how's it going? Today I am test riding this, the Streetdog50 in Hamilton.
Along with riding the Street Dog, I'm also checking out the FTN Motion factory in Hamilton, New Zealand, where the Street Dogs are made. I'm riding the Streetdog50, which has a top speed of 50 kilometers an hour, a battery range of around 80 to 100 kilometers, 30 liters of storage, and only requires a car license. The more powerful Streetdog80 is about to be released. That'll have a top speed of 80 kilometers per hour, an estimated range of up to 140 kilometers with 30 liters of storage, but will require a motorcycle license.
You can get down here and you can look at your side mirrors. I've got a little left, there's your indicator. I'm indicating, stopping for cars, and then on the acceleration, and away you go. It's pretty straightforward, ideal for urban out and about, and really just a lot of fun.
Thanks for watching this video. To find out more about the Street Dog, go to ftnmotion.com.